Here's how to convert MP4 to AVI. I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually made with my brother. He's a software developer, and it's a drag and drop file converter. So all you have to do is drag in some video. In this case, I'll just drag in two MP4 videos. You select your output. We're going to AVI, and I hit convert. So this works on Windows and Mac. And ConvertSave is basically what I wanted out of a file converter because I was so sick of going to weird, sketchy websites to upload my files to some random server and then download them. ConvertSave works completely offline, works on your desktop, Windows and Mac, doesn't matter, works with images, video, and audio files. Drag them in, convert, save. There are some more advanced features that we've added. So in this little gear icon between the output and the convert button, you actually can select advanced features and enter in your own commands. So you can see here we're going from MP4 to AVI. We're going to use FFmpeg in this case, which you can actually bring your own installation of that if you want to. That's a little more advanced, but the primary thing we're going to do is a remux. That's basically changing the container, and it's like an instantaneous conversion, and it's not even touching quality, so you're not re-encoding the video. If that doesn't work out, we're going to do a secondary re-encode of the video with just the highest quality settings. And if you don't like any of those, you can actually do your own custom commands, which you can adjust all the settings, but you can also do some other things. In the options builder here, if you don't really know what any of this stuff is, you can find a much more user-friendly way to build your own commands to do these conversions. And so, like I said, this is the advanced mode. All you have to do is drag, drop, convert, save for a conversion in ConvertSave. But if you really want to get nitty gritty and kind of do some things like, for instance, you can change the bit rate of your video, the quality of it. You can change the resolution or even the frame rate of your video. You can add video filters. There's all kinds of stuff you can add in here, and it basically generates your personal command for this conversion, and you can apply it and then basically save it. So now we're using this custom command instead of these other ones, and we can use that for any conversion of MP4 to AVI going forward. And you'll know because you'll see this little blue dot up here, which just means you've got a custom command set. And if you ever want to go back, like maybe I just wanted to do that for this conversion, then I can just clear that out and hit done, and now I'm just using the default again. So that's how to use ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com, or I'll leave a link in the description and the pinned comment down below. Like I said, you can do images, video, and audio on your desktop on Windows and Mac. Just drag, drop, convert, save. It's that simple and that quick. That's what I like about it. It's how quick it is. All right, guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for your support, and I will see you in the next one.